Allahu, 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 Allah. Apni dukaan, when I looked at it, there's so many grocery stores and stuff, but the concept was so different. Plus, you're actually not only the concept, but you are helping out so many people in regional and remote areas where basic necessities is a bit hard, or actually getting everything, ordering everything on your couch and getting it on your door delivered. It's pretty tough these days. And you
That's the
are running the
motivation.
show.
That's the motivation behind it. We felt the pain,
Awesome.
obviously, where we are in regional towns. There is no halal butcher, there is no Pakistani groceries, there is no international groceries. So we feel the pain, and when someone feels
Yes,
the pain, there is an opportunity there, right?
of
So
course.
we found the opportunity, we found the pain, and we thought, okay, let's fix this. So alhamdulillah, when your intention is good, your motivation is good, then things fall in place. So that's the idea behind it, to help Muslims out there, or people in general who want halal meat delivered to
Yeah,
their doorstep. International groceries, Pakistani people, Indian people,
spot on.
Bangladeshi people, delivered to all the regional and remote areas. We deliver to places that are 20 hours away from major town,
Yes.
18 hours away from major town. People
So
used
we,
to drive.
Raza, how did you found this island called Australia? आपकी स्टोरी बताएं. आपकी स्टोरी आपके अल्फाज से कैसे यहाँ पर आए और कैसा चल रहा है. ये मैं आप स्क्रीन पे हैं हमारे.
पहले तो मैं ये बोलूंगा कि बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. I came here 2006 as a student, like most of us come. तो पढ़ने के लिए आए यहाँ पर. पढ़ाई की, फिर आपको पता है कैसे स्ट्रगल होती है, परमानेंट रेजिडेंसी और ये वो. फिर शादी हुई, ऑब्वियसली वाइफ इधर आई, मेरी वाइफ हिरा, जिसने मेरे साथ स्टार्ट किया है. She's a doctor. She's co-founder, and she's a doctor, alhamdulillah. She's the reason why we moved to a regional town, of course.
Yes.
We were in Melbourne for 12 years, and alhamdulillah, we were doing quite well. But then she got a job in a regional town called Mackay, which is 10 hours north of Brisbane, right? So there's only 100,000 people here, probably more than what we had in Geelong, next door to us in Melbourne, right?
Yes.
So we came here, two and a half years ago, and we realized there's no halal butcher here. There is no international groceries, So it made it tough. We used to order some Pakistani groceries online, but that used to take, 2 weeks and stuff like that. And you can't order frozen items. You can't order refrigerated items and stuff like that. And even online, there was very limited Pakistani grocery available, right?
रजा हसन साहब अपनी दुकान से पहले क्या करते थे बाय प्रोफेशन?
मैं बिजनेस मैनेजर हूँ, और मैं अभी भी हूँ सीनियर बिजनेस मैनेजर हूँ फॉर अ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी. And I've been doing that for 7 years, alhamdulillah, very successfully.
किस तरीके से आप फ्रेश भिजवाते हैं? इसका क्या प्रोसीजर होता है? और हाउ डू यू वर्क आउट?
जी. पहले तो हम यूज करते हैं रेफ्रिजरेटेड कोरियर, ठीक है.
जी.
तो जो रेफ्रिजरेटेड कोरियर है, वो हमारे ऑब्वियसली शॉप से रेफ्रिजरेटेड, मतलब वो बॉक्स उठाता है, अपनी रेफ्रिजरेटेड वैन में रखता है, वो रेफ्रिजरेटेड वेयर हाउस में जाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद वहां से रेफ्रिजरेटेड वैन लोगों के घर पे डिलीवर करती है. टू बी एबल टू कीप द मीट फ्रेश आफ्टर इट्स बीन डिलीवर्ड, हमने क्या किया, हमने पूरी, जो आपने सिल्वर बड़े अच्छे से बॉक्सेस देखे होंगे पिक्चर्स में,
मैंने देखे थे कई पिक्चर में. जी.
वो इंसुलेटेड पैकेजिंग है एक्चुअली. तो वो इंसुलेटेड है, प्लस हम उसके अंदर मीट के साथ रखते हैं आइस पैक्स. तो उससे क्या होता है कि वो, बिकॉज इट्स इंसुलेटेड एंड बिकॉज द आइस इज इन देयर, इट कीप्स द मीट फ्रेश फॉर 6 to 8 hours at your doorstep once it's been delivered. So after, let's say you're not at home, you finish work at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and the meat was delivered at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, right? So by the time you get home, might be 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So the meat stays fresh in insulated packaging with ice packs in it, so nothing happens to the meat until you come back. Yes, ice pack is there as well, to keep it
That's
fresh.
pretty good, pretty phenomenal.
And it comes fresh as well. We don't freeze it throughout the journey as well. So the minute that it gets cut, it gets dispatched and it gets delivered to you fresh, not frozen, right? So a lot of people think it's easier to freeze it. We don't freeze it.
मिनिमम डिलीवरी कितने की होती है?
$0.
$0. Oh, that's pretty fantastic. और
So
delivery
there
fee
is no
wave कितने
minimum.
पे
The
होती
reason why we didn't do that, the reason, and I'll explain why we had $0 minimum delivery, is because genuinely some people are living alone, or a couple or
That's
something
true.
like that, and
That's true.
they don't have space to carry a lot of meat, so
बिल्कुल.
it's unfair on them not to be able to buy. You know what I mean? So we've
That's true.
kept it 0, and we said
बिल्कुल.
even if they want to buy 1 kilo meat for the rest of the week, they can
जी.
do that. It's not, and that's why we didn't put any minimum. Otherwise we could have, to make it more profitable,
Easily.
we could
हाँ.
have said,
हाँ. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो.
$100 minimum, but that's unfair to people who are living alone, or who have a smaller family, or who don't have a fridge. Some people don't have a fridge freezer. They get the meat and they cook it
Of
straight
course.
away.
बिल्कुल सही
You
कह
know
रहे
what I
हो.
mean? So we
बिल्कुल,
didn't want to do that. That's why there is no minimum order.
अच्छा,
So you'll
और
be able
कौन
to
सी
find
स्टेट
it on.
ऐसी है जहां पे डिलीवरीज अभी नहीं हो रही है? आपका प्लान है, फ्यूचर प्लान है?
South Australia very soon, within a couple of weeks, inshallah, South Australia bhi hoga.
Okay.
Western Australia, we don't want to, as you were saying before, you don't want to grow too fast, too quickly, right?
Exactly.
Otherwise, you have to look at your revenues, you have to look at your,
Of course.
what you
Of
do and
course.
stuff like that. So,
Of course.
we want to do it step by step. So, inshallah,
Step
South
by step.
Australia is next. We'll do South Australia once the dust is settled in. We are getting used to the system. It's all automated. Remember, the key is automation. Once it's automated, doesn't matter. You can go to the next step. Once
Okay.
that's automated, then you can go to the next step. So that's what we're doing. So at the moment, we were working with Victoria and New South Wales, getting systems streamlined, taking all the teething issues out. If there were any concerns from the customers, addressing that, making sure everything's smooth. Once that's smooth, then we go to South Australia. Once South Australia is smooth within 2 months or 3 months, then we'll go to WA. Then once that's done, then we'll go to NT. Our mission is to do it all over Australia. All the regional and remote areas should be covered.
Tell us a bit spice. What's coming soon? अपनी दुकान और
So
किस तरफ
inshallah,
जा रही
we
है?
obviously, as we justify things, as things go streamlined, we are adding new things to it, right? So alhamdulillah, Victoria is quite streamlined. We're getting phenomenal response. We're doing 3 times a week delivery, 4 times a week delivery, depending on the volume and stuff like that. So we're going to be adding very soon, within a week, 2 weeks, we'll be adding fruit and vegetables on the website. We'll be adding fresh sweets, so your gulab jamun and ras malai and stuff like that. We will be adding, inshallah, in the next couple of months. Our plan is to add all the catering services. So for example, if you're living in a regional remote areas, you don't have Pakistani restaurants there, right? So where do you go to eat biryani and nihari and halim? So we want to be able to do a family plan and put that out there as a weekly plan, so you can buy your weekly meals, and that will be delivered to your home every single week, right? So you can enjoy and then obviously we'll do it step by step. We'll do it in one state, then we'll replicate it in the next state, then we'll replicate it to the third state. But inshallah, end solution will be all of Australia should be able to get every single thing what we have to offer. But so we will have like a one-stop shop. You'll have all your groceries, meat, fruit and vegetables, sweets, your pre-cooked food, your cooked food, your halim and nihari and kofta and every single thing. So inshallah, that's the plan. We'll get there slowly.